Hey everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I am your host, Reaper of Hugs. If you've been looking for a new bot to use or just starting up streaming, this might be the right video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to use Nightbot TV and how to get it set up really easily for Twitch today. So stay tuned. If you enjoy the content, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell for future videos. Nightbot TV is a bot system that is relatively easy to set up and get going. There are more advanced tutorials and I can make a more advanced one in the future. This one is going to be the basics and just how to set it up. The first thing you will want to do is simply to log into your Twitch account. Obviously Reaper of Hugs 42, currently hosting the Andrew Ellis. He's actually got some amazing YouTube content and great Twitter content. I'll show you guys the basis of what Nightbot does in the chat section on the far right. So you make commands and then basically you post the command. This command is !socials. What it does is it makes a link that goes to all of my social medias. You can do any commands. The exclamation point is really important in this because this is what tells the Nightbot to activate and start creating the command. So I will show you guys how to log into Nightbot now. Here we have nightbot.tv. It's a basic setup. All you got to do is again log into Twitch, click the login feature here. It'll give you an option of logging in with Twitch, YouTube, or another service, and then it'll bring you over to the dashboard where you can check out some different features such as your messages, commands, and the timeouts used on the channel. You can also do things like run giveaways on the left or have song requests up on while you stream. I really enjoy the song request, but right now I'll show you guys how to do commands. There are some default ones that come with Nightbot. Exclamation point commands. Again, if you type any of these into your Twitch channel, it will pop up immediately. All you have to do is authorize Nightbot to be able to integrate onto Twitch, which it'll just be a few easy steps once you get going. And all of these, the game, the tags, there's a bunch of different ones, songs, and it'll explain it to you in the chat. Again, the exclamation point is really important. You can make this whatever you want. If you want to do like an asterisk and then the name afterwards, like asterisk socials, then you can do that as well. But basically this is so people don't just type in the word socials in the chat and it pops up a link every single time. I have an entire custom set of commands. So all you have to do is go over to custom, click on add command, and you can add this whatever you would like. Again, if you have a YouTube channel such as this one, put in exclamation point YouTube, go ahead and type in whatever message you want to. So if you enjoy this content, be sure to check out my YouTube channel, drop the link for the YouTube channel. The user level is who gets to type in this command and let it be used. I have it set to everyone because most of my commands are pretty much open to everyone, but you can just set it to either yourself using it, the moderators, the VIPs, regular subscribers. So if you want a subscriber only command, toss that in there. It might be a little extra incentive to subscribe to your Twitch channel, and a cooldown set time. So after it's used one time, you will not be able to use this command for another 5 seconds. And that would be all you have to do for that one. So if you typed in the YouTube, which I should already have in there, exclamation point YouTube in the chat, and as you can see, it pops up what the message is, which would be the YouTube. And again, the exclamation point is just activating the chatbot. So if I just typed YouTube in the chat right now, absolutely nothing would pop up. If I typed in in YouTube, nothing would pop up, but exclamation point YouTube immediately tells Nightbot to start activating that command. The next thing I want to show you though is the giveaways. Giveaways are really nice little addition to this. So if you have any giveaways, like you want to give away some merch or anything like that, you can set this up really easily. The eligibility, you can set regular subscribers, users, give subscribers a little extra luck because obviously you got to give them a little extra sauce for subbing that channel. And then the active timeout for who's eligible. You can run it through active user, keyword, or random number generator. The next feature I like is the song request. Now this one's really fun because you can do auto DJ. If you set this up properly, this will play songs immediately to your channel. You'll have a whole queue of songs right here, so anybody can put songs in if you feel like it. You can go up to request song or settings. Now the settings is who will be able to request the songs. I have it as a subscriber perk on the channel, and I have it going through YouTube. So all you have to do to enable this is go back to Twitch, type in exclamation point SR and then the name of the song afterwards. We'll go with Bad Romance, and it'll add the song Lady Gaga Bad Romance immediately. So real easy to do, very simple stuff on that one. It's a little complicated to set up at first because there's a lot that goes into it. It gets confusing, but that's the gist of it. And at that point, subscribers will be able to request songs as long as you have this page right here up and running. You have to have the auto DJ up and running in order for the song request to work properly. If you ever want to, you can add it to everyone, or you can adjust the queue down here like we just added right there. The number 2 song is Lady Gaga. You can delete it if you feel like it, if you don't want it. Same with that one, or you can really pick whatever you want for your own playlist, which is nice. Really simple. The other one, spam protection, is very basic. You can blacklist words, phrases, anything like that on the channel that you feel like. If you don't want people posting links, disable links on the channel. I allow links on the channel simply because the moderators on the channel are exceptional, so thank you to the moderators that obviously moderate the channel. And here we have the integrations. You can add your Discord or Muxy to it if you're feeling like it. And the last one is timers. Timers are commands that will periodically pop up on your Twitch channel on a set interval. You can either enable or disable them. This one's for subscribe. It's just to remind, obviously, people that subscribing to the Twitch channel is free with Amazon Prime if you feel like it. And you get some sweet emotes with it. That will pop up on the interval of every 30 minutes and takes up 2 lines. You can edit these really easily. Obviously the name is up to you, whatever you feel like. The message will pop up, the interval, the message will pop up every 30 minutes for the chat, and it'll take up a minimum of 2 lines of chat. So really easy stuff there. You can make these whatever you want. Don't forget to follow the channel, and this way you don't have to type in the commands every time. You also don't have to have the moderators type in the commands as well. If you ever feel like turning off the chat bot, or you do not want to integrate it anymore, guys, all you have to do is go to your Twitch page, go to the little icon at the top right, click on your settings, connections, scroll on down. I had a bunch of connections. Scroll on down anyways, find Nightbot. It's somewhere in here. There it is. Find Nightbot, connected 2 years ago, and all you gotta do is click that little disconnect button. So it's very easy to do, guys. And like I said, all you gotta really do for this is simply sign into your Twitch account, go to nightbot.tv, which I'll drop the link for, sign into that, authorize it, and then just start playing around with some different features of it. Those are the basics, the ones I really enjoy that I think will really help spice up your channel if you're looking for a bot to help out. Bots are really beneficial for the channel. There's a bunch of different ones out there. There's bots for Discords, bots for different concepts like that, guys, but this one is my favorite for streaming. Please let me know what you guys use for your channels, and let me know what you like and dislike about them. And thank you guys so much for checking out the video. I'll see you guys in future content. Reaper Hugs 42 out. See you guys later.